Welcome to the best picks. The best plaque remover is probably one of the most sought-after oral hygiene products on the market today, promising squeaky clean teeth and fresh breath. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your needs? In this video, we will review several top-rated teeth cleaners and plaque removers, comparing their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision and achieve a healthy, confident smile. Number 5. G.CATACC Dental Kit. Looking for a superior dental tool set? This kit is perfect for thorough cleaning and oral care. It's a worthwhile investment for a healthy smile. This set includes 6 high-quality tools, all conveniently stored in a protective case. You'll find scrapers, a mirror, and tweezers for complete oral hygiene. It effectively removes tartar and plaque, reaching even hard-to-clean areas. Daily use ensures fresh breath and a healthy smile. Unlike cheaper alternatives, these stainless steel tools are built to last. They're strong, easy to clean, and disinfect. Remember to dry them after each use. The included case keeps your tools organized and protected. It's perfect for travel and prevents them from getting mixed up with other bathroom items. This versatile kit is suitable for adults, children, and even your furry friends. It's a product you'll be proud to use for years to come. What we like? This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for thorough dental cleaning. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. The convenient case makes it perfect for travel or storage. If you value a complete, durable, and portable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The dental picks are incredibly effective at removing food particles from between my teeth, reaching areas that my toothbrush can't. The set includes a variety of picks with different sizes and shapes, allowing me to easily access and clean all areas of my mouth. Great for home use. Very similar to what I've seen at dentists' offices. I use this once a week and it helps. I also get a lot of compliments at my dentist office when I go for my cleaning. They say I barely have any build-up. It works great. Number 4. M3 Naturals Tablets. These powerful cleaning tablets are designed to effectively remove odors, discoloration, stains, and plaque from your dental appliances. They're perfect for keeping your retainers, aligners, and other devices sparkling clean. Laboratory tested, these extra-strength tablets restore clarity by tackling buildup in every corner of your dental appliance. Experience a thorough clean that leaves your devices looking their best. With a 4-month supply, you'll have plenty of tablets to maintain the cleanliness of your dental appliances. Each individually wrapped tablet ensures optimal cleaning every time. It doesn't matter if you have retainers, aligners, Invisalign, mouth guards, or dentures, these tablets are effective for all removable dental appliances. Keep them all fresh and clean. Simply drop one tablet into warm water with your appliance, and let it work its magic. For best results, soak your appliances daily in a denture cup or ultrasonic cleaner to prevent buildup. What we like? With a 4-month supply of cleaning tablets, you'll always have a fresh solution on hand. It's suitable for all types of removable dental appliances. Simply drop a tablet in and let it work its magic. If you need a convenient and effective way to clean various dental appliances, this is your best bet. What people say. The ultrasonic cleaner is just what I needed to keep my retainers looking and feeling like new. It is simple to use and works its magic in minutes. This is a great retainer cleaner, fresh scent, just dissolve capsule in cup of warm water and soak for 15 minutes. I love those products because it melts quickly in water and you can essentially drop your mouth hardware, in my case retainer after braces, and forget about it. It works great, I never have any additional cleaning to do. One-step product. Number 3. Dental Care Kit. It's designed to help you maintain healthy teeth between professional cleanings. It's a simple and effective way to enhance your oral hygiene routine. Use it with light pressure, making short passes in each area. Start on a low setting to get comfortable, then gradually increase the intensity as needed. It's 100% proven safe for daily use. It's incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for anyone who wants to improve their dental care. This tool isn't a replacement for regular dental visits or flossing. It's designed to help you stay clean in between appointments. It helps you keep your teeth clean and healthy between professional cleanings. Make it part of your daily routine for a brighter, healthier smile. It's the perfect addition to your oral hygiene routine. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This tool is designed for gentle yet effective cleaning between dental visits. It's simple to use, even for beginners. It's a safe and convenient way to maintain oral hygiene. If you're looking for a simple, safe, and effective way to maintain oral hygiene between professional cleanings, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to use, works great. For context, I visit the dentist regularly, but tartar tends to build up between visits only on my front teeth. This product removed a good chunk of the buildup in less than 5 minutes. It is loud against your teeth, but that is to be expected. The construction is solid for the cost, and the included mirror and scraper are a nice add-on. It is very easy to use. It has several cleaning modes. If you have hardened calculus, it will do the job. The high setting is really powerful. Number 2. LIVFRESH Toothpaste. It's clinically proven to remove plaque 250% better than other leading brands. Plus, it improves gum health by 190%, significantly reducing your risk of gum disease. This isn't just a claim, it's backed by 26 research studies, over 40 patents, and years of research from leading universities. It's a formula developed by PhDs and scientists. Its unique formula breaks the bond between plaque and your teeth, preventing new plaque buildup. The gel texture provides a deep clean, even in hard-to-reach areas. Thousands of dental professionals, including former presidents of major dental associations, use and recommend it. It's even supported by clinical professors at top universities. Made in America with 100% edible ingredients, it's free of harsh chemicals like SLS, parabens, and sulfates. It's safe and gentle for everyone. By improving your oral health, it can help you avoid costly dental procedures in the long run. It's an investment in your overall well-being. What we like. This toothpaste is clinically proven to significantly improve oral health. It's far more effective at removing plaque than leading brands. It also leads to noticeably better gum health. If you're seeking superior plaque removal and improved gum health, this toothpaste is a must-have. What people say. It cleans teeth, improves gum health and breaks up plaque. I've had some tartar buildup just break off after brushing. This makes my teeth feel like they were just polished, and I do not need to use much product, so it lasts a long time. Made a difference on first use. Those really hard spots to get, this helped me big time. Number 1. Dental Plaque Remover. It uses high-frequency vibrations for powerful cleaning. This makes it much more effective than manual tools. It's designed with safety in mind. It only activates when touching teeth or hard surfaces, and stops automatically on soft gums. It features 5 different modes and 3 cleaning heads. Start with the soft mode to get comfortable before increasing the intensity. It's rechargeable via USB-C and has a long-lasting battery. The built-in LED light and mirror make it easy to see what you're doing. It's completely waterproof for easy cleaning. Simply rinse it under water after each use for optimal hygiene. This kit provides everything you need for a thorough and effective clean. It's simple to use and maintain. What we like. This advanced tool offers multiple cleaning modes to suit your needs. The built-in LED light enhances visibility. Its rechargeable design offers ultimate convenience. If you want a powerful, versatile, and convenient tool for thorough teeth cleaning, this is the one for you. What people say. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful touch, illuminating those hard-to-see areas, making the cleaning process much more precise. The 5 adjustable modes are extremely useful, allowing you to customize the intensity depending on your comfort level and the amount of plaque buildup. It was really easy to use. Just gently hold tip against each gum line and etch away the plaque. In areas where the plaque was really built up, I used the strong and strongest mode that completely removed all the plaque between all my teeth in about 15 minutes. It has an amazing cleaning ability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.